Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin rose 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Airbus raised the production goal for wide-body A350 jets and reaffirmed financial and delivery targets for 2023 as it posted higher underlying third-quarter profits, with sharply higher jet income dampened by charges in satellites. The German economy will contract in 2023 and recover only slightly next year, according to the annual report of the German Council of Economic Experts. Germany's gross domestic product is expected to contract by 0.4% in 2023, in line with the forecast of the German government. Bitcoin fees surged to the highest level since the meme coin mania this past May, amid the resurgence of Bitcoin-linked non-fungible tokens known as ordinals. At $6.84, the average transaction fees for using the Bitcoin blockchain are now up roughly 970%, from a low of 64 cents touched in August.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, Outlook, will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, Current, at 0500 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 1330 GMT. The Eurozone's Ecofin meeting at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.